Good morning. Welcome to lesson 1, day number 3. We'll continue this lesson next week since of the holiday. It was a short week this week. So we're going to start off with another brain stretch. A lot of kindergarten is learning how to hold a conversation or talk with people. So today, let's have a conversation about school. Remember, a conversation is 2 or more people sharing ideas. You're going to find someone in your house to share your ideas with. Here's a question to begin your conversation. What is something you want to learn about this year? When you're done with your conversation, come back and we're going to practice rhyming because next week Miss Green's going to start testing you to see if you have reached this learning target or if you still need more practice because you can't do it yet. What word rhymes with van? Did you say any of these words? Van, can, man, tan, fan. Those all rhyme because I hear the and sound at the end. Can you think of words that rhyme with dig? Did you think of big, pig, rig, wig? Last one of these. Bug. What rhymes with bug? Did you think of these? Bug, hug, mug, rug. They rhyme because they sound the same at the end. Our sight word that we're working on is the word I. What is something you can do? I can. Maybe you said, I can dance. I can hit a baseball. I can play the violin. I can do karate. Our letter today that we'll be focusing on is the letter B. And my letter B disappeared. Where is B? Maybe it flew away like a bee. There it is. So this is the letter B. Remember, the sound is B, not buh, but B. You see it at the beginning of these words. Bear, bus, balloon. Get your fingers ready. Practice capital B with me. It is another frog jump letter. So we're going to start at the top. Big line down. Frog jump. Little bump, little bump. Let's try that again. Start at the top. Big line down. Frog jump. Bump, bump. Sometimes we say bump, bump. Sometimes we say curve. So let's try it one more time. Start at the top. Big line down. Frog jump back to the top. Curve, curve. Nice job. Now go practice your rhyming.